Hey people, welcome, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do green gungo pea soup. So I'm using corned beef. I'm going to use a piece of pig's tail as well, and I'm going to use one bone. So the corned beef I corned at home about 2 weeks ago. So now I am removing the corned beef from the pickle spice, that is the onion and pepper, scallion, pimento, all of them something there. Them call it pickle spice, right? So after removing it from the pickle spice, I'm gonna wash the corned beef to remove the excess salt, and then I'm gonna soak it in water for about 4 or 5 hours because I have some hours to kill before cooking the soup because it's quite early in the morning. I'm going to change the water like twice, right? So I'm going to soak it for about 5 hours and change the water twice. I don't like to boil it before. I don't like to boil it to remove the salt because I feel like some of the flavor, removed. So I rather to soak it into water. And I already went ahead soaking the pig's tail. Yeah, man, I'm going to soak it for 5 hours as well. Yeah. Now, after about 5 hours or so, I am adding the salted beef and the pig's tail into about 6 cups of water. I am also adding the bone, few seeds, pimento. Pimento is what you call allspice in other countries, and 2 cloves garlic. I am also adding 2 carrots and 1 Irish potato that I peel, wash, cut into chunks. I do not put pumpkin in my pea soup. So I use 4 cups of all-purpose flour to knead into a dough. So I'm going to cover it until I'm ready to use it. So everything in the pot is partially cooked. So now I am adding the green gungo that was washed and the bad ones removed. It is half quart of green gungo. I am also adding some water. Maybe that is about 4 cups. I don't sure. Just add enough water, right? Because right now I am gonna add the cocoa. The cocoa thickens the soup. Basically, it gives the soup body. And because everything that I recently added in the pot is easy to cook, so I'm just gonna add everything else. So now I'm gonna add the sweet potatoes as well as the yam. That's the yellow yam, also called soup yam. So now I'm gonna give it a good stir. Then I'm gonna cover the pot and allow the yam and the sweet potato to cook for about 15 minutes. The yellow flesh sweet potato takes a longer time to cook than the orange flesh. So after 15 minutes, I am now adding the dumplings. I am adding some round ones as well as some long shaped ones that we call spinners. And then I'm gonna add the coconut milk, the scallion, the thyme, the hot pepper, and gonna lower the heat. Yeah, man. No salt is needed. I tasted it and the salt is okay. I didn't put any salt into this soup because of course I use salted beef and the pig's tail as well, so no salt is needed. And I do not put spices in my soup. Spices such as black pepper, all purpose, none of them something there. I try to keep my soup as natural as ever. I only use hot pepper, scallion and thyme, no spices. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna cover and allow the soup to thicken to the consistency that I want. So this is the soup. I turn off the heat and I'm gonna let the soup rest in the pot for about 5 minutes before dishing it out. Yeah, man. So thanks for watching. Needless to say, the soup is delicious, I should say. Yeah, man, I can tell you, I know I did not put any cock soup mix in the soup as well. I don't put cock soup mix in my pea soup, right? Yeah, man. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, man. Walk good. God bless.